Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to show you how to make the point of sale system simple app step by step tutorial. Today is the first day. So first go to the file, new project. Here I am going to give the project name as point of sales. Right. This is the app name, point of sales. Simply you have to write as app, point of sales app. Right. Now click next, select empty activity, next, click finish. You have to wait until the process is completed here. The old application shall be close it. Right. Now your project is successfully built here. Right. Everything perfect. Now there is a folder, app folder. App folder consists of Java folder and RS folder. Here RS folder, you have to expand the RS folder. There is a folder layout folder. Here we have to expand the layout folder. There is a file activity main.xml. You double click on this, click design view. This is the default layout. Hello world will be here displayed here. Now what I am going to do is I am going to design the this layout as login. So that's the first one, login. So click the text view here. Here I am going to change the layout as linear layout. Right, linear layout. Layout with parent, match parent. Orientation I am going to write as a vertical, and gravity I am going to write as a center. When the app is loaded at the center, you have to write like this. Right, that's the thing you have to write. You have to remove the things like this here. Now here what I am going to do is here I am going to write again another layout, linear layout here, linear layout. This time rep content with rep content, height also rep content. After that what I am going to do is here I am going to write as a orientation as vertical. Right. Now here I am going to make the heading in this layout. First one should be text view. I am going to write as a text view. Here rep content, this one should be rep content, second one is rep content. Here I am going to write the heading as text, Android text. I am going to write as point of sales login. Right. I am going to write the login like this. After that, that's the thing you have to write. After that we have to text size I am going to increase. So we have to write the text size here. What is the problem? Press enter key. Text here, text size here. You can text size I am going to give as txt sp, this one. After that we have to, if you want to change the color, you have to change the color as text text color. You have to give as this ancient. Now you can see the preview here. This is the heading, point of sale system login. It's heading. Right, successfully you have to write it here. Right. After that what I am going to do is the same thing. I am going to Control C to copy, Control V to paste below the same layout. You Control C to copy the same layout and paste it below here. Here I am going to create this one as a orientation. I am going to change it as a horizontal. Here I have need two things. One is a text view, another one is a edit text. So here what I am going to do is here I am going to remove the text sizes. We no need here. Here we have to the color also we no need it. Here Android text we have, I am going to change it as here user. Right, here this one should be user. I need one text box here, so I am going to write as another one for that. Edit text, rep text, this one should be rep text. After that we need the ID, Android ID. I am going to write as a this one should be user, right, the user. After that I need another thing is a layout weight 1. So write as 1, layout weight 1. After that I need another one is a we have to write a EMS. This one we have to, this is size of the text box 10. I'm put as a 10. We have to text alignment, we have to set as a text alignment, we have to set as a center. This is the thing we have to write. That's the only thing you have to write. Okay, so you can check the preview here. When the user type on this text box, it's coming at the center, right? That's the thing you have to write here simply. After that what I'm going to do is here the same layout I'm going to Ctrl+C to copy and paste below. We have to make it as a text box password. Very simple. Okay, this is the heading, this one user, this is the text box I make, wrap text, Android ID, this is the weight 1 mean this one, this size, this is the 10 mean this is the width 10. After that text alignment center mean when you write on this text box it write on the text center. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is we have to copy this the linear layout and paste below here. Here we have to change the text as password. Here we have to write as a password. Pass, right? We have to Android text ID pass, right? You can check here, right? Simply you have to write like this. After that what I'm going to do is I need one button, 2 buttons. So same thing, Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste below. Here we don't need this text view and edit view. Instead of that we have to write 2 things, buttons. So we have to write as this one is a button. We have a button, wrap text. After that text, we have to write as a text. We have to write as this one is a login, this login, text login. After that ID, Android ID, we have to write as a btn1, button 1, right? If you want to write the text color, not text color, button color, if you want to change, you have to write Android background. We have to simply we have to give the color as this one, Asian color, Asian. This one should be the color. You can check here. This one should be the color. After that we have another button. So this one you have to, if you want to change the font color, you have to change the font color as well. Here text color, if you want to change, you can change it here. Okay, let's change it as a white text color. So we have to put the asterisk color, asterisk mark here. We have to write like this, FFF. You can change the color like this, it's white, right? Simply, right? Now you can again we have to, what I'm going to do is here simply this layout. Sorry, we no need to, we have just copy this button, Ctrl+C to copy, paste inside this layout. So we have to create another button here. We have to change this one as a button ID btn2. Here we have to change the text as cancel, right? Cancel. Here we have to change the background color as primary. We have to put primary, right? Now you can see like this, very simple layout, right? Now you can check whether it's working fine or not. I'm using the Genie motion to check the app. This is the user login of the app. Now you will be able to enter the username and password. Now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to give the validation part here. If the username and password correct, you will be able to log in the system. Okay, if you enter the correct username and password and click login button, it will be goes to the main activity. Okay, let me see how to do the task. So let's minimize this one. I'm go to the file main activity, double click on this one here. What I'm going to do is here I'm going to write a edit text box first. Edit text, sorry, not here, we have right here, not names here. Edit text ed1 comma ed2. After that we have to write what is the error here. Sorry, same thing, you have to enter again. After that we have to write button btn1 b1, right is b2, right. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here I have two text boxes and two buttons on this activity here. So I'm going to equal into this particular variables. So what I'm going to do is ed1 equal find view by id r dot id dot, what is the id you are to give here, what's the give here, user, this one should be id pass. Okay, you have to give the user id here, this one here, this one should be id should be user, this id should be pass. Okay, the same thing you can easily check here. If you click here you can check the attributes here check, right. The same thing you have to give here, right. id dot user, if you type user here, it automatically pop up here, you will be selected. The same thing you have to ed2 dot find view by id r dot id dot pass, right. That's the thing you have to write, simple you have to write. After that you have to write b1 equal find view by id r dot id dot btn1, this one b2 equal find view by id r dot id dot btn2, right. That's the thing we have to write like this, right. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to write first one b1 dot set on click listener new, you have to write a view on click listener. If you press enter key, it will automatically generate the code view here. Here what I am going to write is here when the person click login button, what happened. So here I am going to write the validation, right. Now here what I am going to do is here first instead of writing the code here I am going to write the code, write the function here. So we have to write the function, we have to write a public function, public void login, right. Here we have to write as here first thing, first I am going to create the variable string username equal, we have to equal here this one, we have to pass it here. What is the user write on that text box, when the what is the user type on the text box here, it is assigned to the variable username. Okay, so ed.text ed1 mean this one, the user I am going to assign to the variable here, this variable I am going to get here, I am got ed.getText dot toString, you have to write a toString method, right. After that the same thing I am going to write a password as well, password equal ed2 dot getText dot toString, right. We have to be equal successfully. After that what I am going to do is I am going to check if username dot equals, first I'm going to check the blank. If the user enters the blank, it show the error. And sorry, we have to write O operators. Okay, username or password should be blank, it show the error. Dot equals, we have to write this one. Right, this thing we have to write. After that, press enter key. We have to write a error here. So we have to write a toast message. Toast dot make text this. We have to write a user name or password blank, comma. Here you have to write a toast dot length long dot show. Right, that's the thing we have to write. After that, we have to write here, if it is not blank, I'm going to write another validation. Else if, here we have to write as username dot equals, here we have to write as a, first one should be here. I'm going to give the username as John here. First time I'm going to give the username without the database. Okay, so John, and we have to use the AND operators here. After that, password, this here, this variable you have to call here password dot equals into this password 123. Right, that's the thing. Okay, after that, if the user type John and John along with the password 123, we have to get the message toast dot make text. The same thing, you have to copy this one, same toast, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. We have to write as a login success. Right, otherwise we have to write the else part. We have to write the message as this one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. We have to write username or password do not match. Do not match. Right. Okay. Now here I didn't write the database. I didn't connect any database connectivity. I just passed like this. Later on, we are connecting the database, and we have to write a username, password, and connect the login. Okay. Okay. Now let's run and see. Right, now here I am not writing anything else. If you click login button here, username or password blank. Okay, the error should be displayed. After that, you have to write John only. Click again here, username and password blank. We have to write here is if you write a wrong password here, if you click login button here, username or password do not match. Okay, now if you write the correct password over here, if you click login button, login success. Right, now here another important stuff is password is not visible. Here this is show the password. It's not an efficient way to write it. So what I'm going to do is here, you have to click on the password text box, this one. You have to click this here, and here go to the properties. There should be the property called password. Here this is a password. Here this one, you have to click on this one. If you click this one, it make it right. Now here you can check here. Now if you write, go in and check here what I want. Right here. Now if you write the John, password 1 2 3, here it show the password text box. It's make it as a password text box, look like this. If the username and password success, if you click login, login success message will be displayed. After that, I have a cancel button. What I'm going to do is here, I'm going to the text, sorry, main activity. We have to, this is second button, we have to get it here. Set on click listener, new view on click listener. Here what I am going to do is you have to simply here write a finish. Finish means it's cancel it. Here now you will be able to cancel. Activity finish. If you write this function, the activity will be finished automatically. Here if you click cancel button here, the activity will be closed. Right? Very simple stuff I have shown you without connecting the database. Later on I am going to connect the database and check the validation part. I hope you guys you understood the tutorial well. In my next tutorial, if the login and username and password correct, successfully log in to the main activity. We'll see how to do the task in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.